What's up, guys? It's your boy Rexy, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step method you can use to get targeted free traffic back to your affiliate offers and start making some sales on Clickbank, guys. So I'm going to show you guys two methods that you can use to start getting targeted traffic for free, and you can start making some sales on Clickbank, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online, Clickbank methods, and online earning methods. And you want to learn my most recommended method to start making some money, extra money online, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more, guys. So I provide new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods, and you want to learn more anytime that I release a new video of this, subscribe to the channel to get notified when I upload a new video on YouTube, guys. So that is it, guys. Let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how I can follow this step-by-step method and get some traffic and start making some sales on Clickbank. So the first step, guys, that we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace and we're going to choose a particular product we're going to be promoting with this method, guys. So with this method, guys, you can promote any product. So I'm going to show you guys two methods to get free traffic back to these offers and make sales on Clickbank, guys. So what we're going to do is just going to click on search. I'm going to find some products that we can go and promote, guys. So these are different products you can go and promote. With this particular method, I'm going to be showing you guys. So you scroll down, you're going to see different products, guys. And what I want to make sure, guys, that you are going to go to the affiliate page. So what you're going to do is that you are going to be promoting this product using affiliate tools. You are going to be using simple PDFs, and we are going to be promoting with this method, guys. So I'm going to show you guys two methods that you can use to promote these products very easily. So let's check for an example. So let's check, for example, different products. So let's check Secret Obsession. So go to the affiliate page of this product. We're going to find a lot of tools that we can use to promote this product very easily. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to do custom reports. I'm going to show you guys how to promote any product, even if they don't have custom reports that you can use to promote the product, guys. So click on custom reports and go to the members area. You're going to see a lot of reports that you can use to promote this particular product. So go to custom reports, and it's going to generate a PDF. We are affiliate links inside the PDF that you can go and just promote this PDF with these two methods I'm going to be showing you guys. But there are many products, guys. There are many products that have these custom reports on Clickbank that you can just go and edit these simple PDFs and promote with these two methods I'm going to be showing you guys. So let me show you guys another one. For example, the Red Tea Detox. It's a product on Clickbank that has PDFs that you can just take and go and promote with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So if they don't have affiliate tools, I'm going to show you guys how to get these PDFs very easily, guys. So go to affiliate tools for this product, for example, and go to the affiliate page. So let's go to the affiliate page. Let's just fill this. What we're going to see, guys, you're going to see that they have also these PDFs that you can just take and go and promote them, guys. So let's find the PDFs. So you can see free ebooks that can take and just upload and start driving free traffic to these PDFs and sending people back to your affiliate offer. So you can see these are different PDFs, and you can click on download. You can download this and you can just start promoting this on these two methods I'm going to be showing you guys. So this is a simple PDF. And what I want to do, guys, is that if you found a product that you want to promote, for example, like this one, you discover that our own affiliate links are not inside the PDFs, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, is that you're going to edit this PDF, and you're going to put your affiliate links inside this PDF, and you're going to promote on these two methods that I'm going to be showing you guys. So if you're going to be promoting a product, for example, let's go back to Clickbank. So you go back to the affiliate marketplace. Let's say you want to promote a fitness product or any type of product on Clickbank that doesn't have PDFs in the affiliate tools area. All you have to do is, for example, this one, the Cinderella solution, doesn't have PDFs that you can go and promote this product very easily. So what you're going to do, guys, is just going to go to this website, freeplrdownloads.com. So this is a website, freeplrdownloads.com. It's a website that has a lot of PDFs that you can just take and promote your affiliate offer. So be sure to watch step by step, as I'm going to show you guys how you can use this strategy and input your affiliate links and promote this particular product and get targeted free traffic, guys. So you want to promote that product, for example, the Cinderella solution that doesn't have resources that you can use to promote this product very easily, like PDFs. All you have to do is come to this website and just type, for example, since it's a weight loss product, you can just type, for example, weight loss. I'm going to find a lot of done for you PDFs that you can just go and download and use for this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So be sure to watch step by step. I'm going to show you guys another method you can use to get these PDFs very easily, very fast, guys. So what you can do, guys, you can search, for example, these are PDFs that you can go and download, guys, with this method. So you can see this one, eat more and lose weight. So these are weight loss PDFs that are already on this website that you can just go and download. So all you have to do is click on this, and you're going to download this and you're going to promote it with this method that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to download this PDF. So I'm going to click on download, and that's it. The PDF has already been downloaded and you can use and start promoting with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So the next step, guys, is that you want to have your affiliate links inside the PDFs. So for example, this free ebook on the Red Sea Detox, they don't have our affiliate links inside the PDF, and we want our affiliate links to be inside the PDF so that when we are promoting these products, we are going to be getting commissions. So all you have to do, guys, is that you're going to download this PDF. So let's say, for example, we wanted to use these free PDFs and we want to promote it with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. All you have to do is click on download. So click on download, and that is it, guys. This is the entire article, and we want to insert our affiliate links inside this one, the same as the free ebook that we just downloaded. So what I'm going to do, guys, is we're just going to click on download. So let's download this one, and we're just going to save this, and that's it. It has been saved. The next step, guys, I want to input our affiliate links inside these PDFs. So all you have to do is go to this website. Go to this website. The name of the website is called seja.com. So this is the name of the website, seja.com. That's going to help you to edit these PDFs very, very easily. So if you go to seja.com, all you have to do is choose this one, PDF editor. So it's going to help you to edit these PDFs very easily and input your affiliate links inside the PDFs. So all you have to do is click on upload file. So I'm just going to select the file that we just downloaded, and that is it. It has been uploaded to this website. So you can see this is the entire PDF that has been uploaded on this website, and we can just change our affiliate links inside here very easily, guys. So to edit this PDF and input our links with this service is very easy, guys. So all you have to do is just find the page that you want to input your affiliate links, and you're just going to input it very easily. So let's open the page. So let's reduce the size of this. So this is the entire ebook, guys, and anywhere that you want to input your affiliate link is very easy for you to input your affiliate link. You are going to input your affiliate link multiple times in the article so that anyone that's reading this article, this PDF, is going to click on your links and they're going to go back to your affiliate offer. So let's say we want to add our affiliate link somewhere inside the article. So let's say we want to enter our affiliate link right here, for example. All you have to do is click on links, and click on select. Just select the entire place that you want to input your affiliate link, and that's it, guys. You're going to have an option to input an affiliate link. So that's it. All you have to do is, so let me delete this. All you have to do is click on links. So normally it's going to be on text. All you have to do is click on links. You're going to select the area that you want to input your affiliate link, and you're just going to select it, and that's it. It's going to give you an option to input a link. This one you're going to input your affiliate link. So you're going to go back to Clickbank Marketplace. We're going to get the affiliate link. So this one, for this particular example, was the Red Sea Detox. For the, all you have to do is click on promote. I'm going to get the affiliate link. I'm going to input it inside the PDF, and that's it, guys. So it's very easy. So let me show you guys how to do that. All you have to do is copy this, go back to the editor. I'm going to paste this as our affiliate link. So let me select that once more. So this is it. We're going to paste our affiliate link. I'm going to click on enter, and that's it. That's how easy it is for us to input our links inside the PDF. So all you have to do is go through the PDF, and you're going to input your links multiple times inside the PDF, guys. So for example, this image, so you can just select all of this. We're going to input our affiliate link as well. Click on enter, and this time, guys, anyone that clicks on this link is going to go back to our affiliate link. So let's select this one once more. Select this one, and that's it. Our link has been added inside this PDF, guys. So that's how easy it is for you to edit this PDF and input your affiliate links inside the PDF. And that's it, guys. Just input your links multiple times inside the PDF, and you're going to lead people back to your affiliate offer. So all you do is, after you have done with this, all you do is click on apply changes, and you're going to apply these changes, and you're going to download this PDF. So that's it. I'll just click on download PDF, and that's it, guys. If you open this PDF this time, you're going to have our affiliate links inside the PDF, guys. So this is the PDF. So you click on any of the links that we just edited, it's going to take you back to our own affiliate offer this time, guys. So let's just click on this one, for example, and it's going to take us back to Clickbank, and it's going to be our affiliate link. So you can see this our affiliate link inside the PDF, guys. So this is the same. You're going to do this same thing with the PDF that you downloaded from the freepldownloads.com. So if you download this PDF and you want to promote this affiliate product, all you have to do is just go and upload this on this website, guys. So all you have to do is go and upload on this website. So let me upload that. For example, let me show you guys how you can edit this. So I have this, scroll at the top, and you're going to edit this, upload your PDF. So this is a PDF that we just downloaded. and all you have to do is upload the file, guys. So we're just going to extract this and we're going to upload the file, and we're going to edit this and input our affiliate links as well. So it's very easy as to show you guys. Everything's click on upload, and we're going to upload the PDF that we just downloaded from FreePR downloads, and we're just going to edit this and we're going to input our affiliate links inside. So this is the entire PDF, and all you have to do is input your affiliate links multiple times inside the article and link it back to your affiliate offer. And also at the end of the PDF, guys, you want to link it back to your affiliate offer as well. So at the end of the article, you can just, if you are promoting the Cinderella solution, you can just add the image of the Cinderella solution at the end of the article. So this is the end of the PDF. Obviously, if you want to add images, guys, it's very easy. Obviously, just click on images. You want to click on new image. You're going to select an image that you want to upload. So let's say, for example, you wanted to input a Cinderella solution. You can just open an image like this, and you can just input the Cinderella solution. And at the end of your articles, guys, of the PDF, you want to link it back to your affiliate offer like this one. And all you have to do is just click on select text on links, select the entire all this, and go to Clickbank, and you're going to get your affiliate link and you're going to paste it. So that's how easy it is to edit this PDF, guys. So once you have this PDF, the next step, guys, you're going to promote this PDF. So obviously click on apply changes, and you're going to download this PDF very easily. So that's it. You're going to click on download, and that's it. The PDF is downloaded and it's going to have links back to your affiliate offer. So that's it. You just scroll on this one, for example, at the end, you're going to see the link, and it's going to link people back to our own affiliate offer. So that's it. So once you have these PDFs already, all you have to do, the first method I'm going to show you guys to promote this PDF is on Facebook, guys. So all you have to do is go to Facebook. So all you have to do is go to Facebook, and you're going to paste this on Facebook, guys. So all you have to do is go to Facebook, and if you are going to promote, for example, weight loss products, all you have to do is search, for example, weight loss, and you're going to go to groups. You're going to find a lot of weight loss groups that you can go and join, and you're going to paste this PDF with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. And go to groups, you're going to find a lot of groups, guys. So just click on groups. So you can see, guys, there are a lot of groups that you can go and post this PDF on. I'm going to show you guys how to post this PDF. So what I want to do, guys, I want to join this type of groups. This type of groups that have, for example, 91,000 members, 136,000, 308,000 members on this group, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to write a simple message, and you're going to be giving this PDF away for completely free, guys. And all you have to do is message you to get this PDF. So let me show you guys one example that I did with a spirituality product. So this is one. So this is one of my posts. So this is a new PDF that I just created with this particular strategy, guys. And this PDF is on Clickbank. So I'm promoting a Clickbank product with this method. So what I did, guys, I posted on this group. So this is Love Attraction, Mind and Power. So this is a spirituality group on Facebook. So what I did, guys, I put a simple, and I wrote comment info below if you want to get this PDF for free, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, people are going to comment info below, and once they start commenting info below, I'm going to send them this PDF with my links already inside the PDF. And anyone that is interested in this, they're going to click on my links, and they're going to go back to the affiliate offer, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, you're not going to paste your link right here. You're going to make people to click on the link, and you're going to send them the link to the PDF, guys. So all of this, upload the PDF or upload the PDF on a service online, and you can just send them the link to download the PDF. You can upload them on Google Drive, and you can just send them the link to download these PDFs, and you're going to be getting a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offer, guys. So I did, for example, if you wanted to promote this on weight loss groups, so this is a weight loss group, and you can see this one has up to 240,000 members, guys. So all of this, just upload cover of the PDF that we just downloaded, and we're going to be providing a free PDF, guys. So for example, so let's say, for example, we're just going to write, for example, get this free ebook for free, and we're just going to paste text like this. We're just going to write simple text like this, and all of this, get a free ebook, comment info below. So that's, guys, you're just going to write simple text like this, and you're just going to upload an image of the PDF that you're going to be providing on Facebook, guys. So all you have to go back to the PDF. So if you're promoting, for example, a Red Sea Detox, the image is already done for you. All you have to do is click on save image. You're going to download this image, and you can upload it on Facebook, guys. And also for the other PDF that we downloaded from freeprdownloads.com, you can see it already has an ebook cover, so you don't have to create this. All you have to do is just upload this ebook cover with links back to your affiliate offer. So all you have to do is go back to Facebook. So we're going to go back to Facebook, and we're going to upload the image. So we're going to click on photo. We're going to upload our image, and that's it, guys. We're just going to upload this image, and we're going to post it on this group, guys. So that's it. All you have to do is click on post, and once your post is approved, your ebook is going to be live on this website, and a lot of people are going to comment info, and all you have to do is just send them links back to these PDFs, and once they download these PDFs, guys, they're going to be going back to your affiliate offer. So that's a simple method, guys, that you can use and get a lot of free traffic from Facebook, guys. So you can join most of these groups. The more groups that you post on, the more traffic that you can get, and the more sales that you can get with this particular method I'm showing you guys. So also, guys, let me show you guys the second free traffic method you can go and get a lot of free traffic, guys. So the next website you can go and get a lot of free traffic by promoting these ebooks that you have created already is this website called librarything.com. So this is the name of the website. Librarything.com is a website that you can go and upload a lot of PDFs, guys. So you can see it has a community of 2 million readers on this particular website, guys. And all you have to do is go and sign up for a free account on this website, and you can start uploading your ebooks. So these ebooks that you created, all you have to do is upload them on Facebook, and you're also going to upload this ebook on this website, librarything.com. So let's check out the traffic that this website is getting as well, guys. So you go to SimilarWeb and type librarything. So let's go to SimilarWeb and verify how much traffic this website is getting, so that we can go and promote our PDFs on this website, guys. So let me show you guys how much traffic this website is getting every month, guys. So this is a huge traffic source that you can use and go and upload these PDFs on this as well. I also show you guys some of the different websites that you can go and upload your PDF and get a lot of free traffic in some of my videos, like slideshare.net. So that's some of the websites I can go and share these PDFs on, and I'm going to get a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offer, guys. So one of the main things that you want to discover, that this particular website, librarything.com, most of the traffic is from the United States. So you want to go and promote your PDFs on this website, because you're going to getting a lot of United States traffic, that is buyer traffic. You can get a lot of sales from promoting your products on this website. So you can see this website is getting up to 1.4 million visitors every month, guys. And all of this, go and upload your free PDFs on this website. You can see majority of traffic is from the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, with Australia. And all of this, go to this website, and it's completely free for you to join. So all of this, sign up for a free account, upload these PDFs on there and as well, and you're going to be getting free traffic from both sides, guys. So that's a simple method I want to show you guys that you can use and start getting some free traffic and start making some sales on Clickbank, guys. So all of this, take action on these methods, and you can start making some sales on Clickbank for free. So that's it. If you found one in the video, guys, be sure to leave a like on this video, and also subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online, Clickbank methods, and online earning methods. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.